I don't know about you guys, but have you ever heard of business coaches talk about working on your business and not in your business? You know, as a business owner, I've always wondered what that actually means until I actually experienced it for myself. So in this video, we'll talk about exactly what that means and how you can actually use that to your business advantage. So here at Clinic Solution, we have this concept called working below the line, on the line, and above the line. And I know we're going through a different concept, and that will actually help you explain what does it mean by in the business and on the business. So when you work below the line, that means the work that you do as chores, right? That's not your proficiency, right? So for example, doing bookkeeping, doing website updates, working on taking out the rubbish, all these other things that's below the line. And this is the activity we call $50 an hour work. You can easily outsource this to someone else who's really good at it, and that's their job, right, their proficiency. The second part is the working on the line, and this is what we call in the concept working in your business, right? When you are working as a doctor. As a dentist, you should be working, when you're working with your patient, you should be earning about $500 an hour, and that's what we call on the line. Or, in the context of things, you're working in your business as a practitioner, right? Working above the line, these are the things that we call working on your business. And these are the things that you sit down maybe once a month at a bare minimum, thinking about business strategy, thinking about marketing, thinking about how to expand your business. These are the things that will help you either increase your revenue or decrease your cost. And it can be done in a team environment. You should have a monthly team meeting with the team and talk about what are the things that we can improve, right? Or you find external vendors that actually, or business coach, to help you continuously improve your business. So this is what we call above the line. And that's why it's very important for you to work on your business and not in your business. And people would be, oh, what's the general rule of thumb? If you can, let's say you work five days a week, you should try and spend 1 day a week where you might actually go to your clinic, but you do not work on your patients. And some of our best clients, they actually do that as a weekly thing. So they come to the practice, don't see any patients, and they work on their team members. They coach their team, they work on the business strategy, and work with us on marketing strategy. So it's important to get those things done well, so that way your practice can then continue to thrive.